Huh. Yeah, good morning, guys. Let me talk about some few things that is more important, and let me go. We are going to next stage. What means? Yeah, let me start the DSA. We are going to learn a DSA and implement it mainly for interview purpose. We are going to focus on interview preparation. All the things are going to be do on today onwards. First of all, I tell you what are the things we are going to do, and by doing this, what are the things we can achieve. In my understanding and in my perspective, I analyzed it. I researched on so many things. Then only I telling we going to do these things. By doing these things, definitely I will tell we can crack the interview easily. For that, first what we want to do means I will share my screen and explain what are the things we are going to do. Today I sharing my entire screen. Why means I will show you the how I mainly focused or how I taking notes, how it looks, how I gathering the information. Yeah, I use mainly OneNote for my notes taking. If you see means it is on a large PDF. Wait few minutes it will show. Yeah, it is probability distribution notes. I have taken a full notes on a probability distribution like what is PDF, PNF, PMF, and CMF. How to classify a distribution? It is an a PNF or PMF or PDF or a CMF. If you classifying a distribution as a PDF means what is the formulation for that and what is the parameters, how the notation, everything I have taken as a notes. I will share all these notes to you. You can also use these notes for a reference. But what I tell means go and search online in articles and first read what are these concepts, then understand by your reading, then see my notes and try to understand it. So it's also try to understand this also and make a conclusion and create your own notes. If you do doing these things means if you go into any interview, that time you cannot learn entire concept. You want to only revise the concept. You have enough time to only for revise. You cannot learn new concepts, or you cannot learn the previously learned things. So that time it will be easy to you to understand what these concepts are. You can recall it fastly by your own notes when you reviewing or using your own notes. For for this only I am telling take your own notes and preparation for that. I having all the sorting algorithms and two pointer method. Today only I started the two pointer method. Let me discuss the also fastly in the upcoming series. Yeah, first we want to see the one programming language. Let me one create one notes. It is for planning. Planning for Planning for interview. If you're going for an interview means definitely you want to know instead of knowing you want to have skills like now definitely want to have one skills like skills government. I will want to have one skill sets. It can be anything like if you're going into a software mint you can study full stack or front end developer or back end developer, more UI UX designer, UI UX designer, graphics designer, graphic designer, and not anything. But you want to be strong in one thing. No, designer, designer. Yeah, designer. You want to be strong in one's skills or master it first. Tell me anything like data science or data analyst or like data analyst, data scientist. Then what we have, AI engineer. Yeah, mainly we left at software engineering. Software engineering, software developer also we call that as software engineer also called as software developer. Software developer. So we have various kinds of option to learn. We cannot learn all these things in a small time period. So for that, instead of learning all these things, we want to master only one thing. I take in my I taken as I taken data science as a domain for me. Domain for me. So for that, first I want to learn DSA and side by side DSA, then data science concepts. Concept means like ML, data analysis, analysis, statistics mainly it come statistic and probability, probability, calculus, and machine learning. The machine learning model training is comes under a machine learning itself. Learn deep learning, then generative AI, then agents, then agentic. So we want to learn these concepts in a short time period, like 3 to 5 months of time. Want to learn these concepts. So per day we want to spend 8 hours minimum. Minimum. Minimum per day we want to spend for learning. In side by side we want to create a projects. Without creating a project we cannot learn anything. So for this entire thing, for this entire thing, we want to master one programming language. Programming language. We chosen a language as Python. Why means using this we can achieve all this like data analyst, data scientist. We can use all this like probability or calculus or deep learning, all these concepts using Python. So I have an like intermediate knowledge in Python. Python level is in intermediate. Like I know the concepts or variables, then data types. Where I know variables, what is data types, and the control statement, then loops, yeah, one minute. Loops, then functions, then data collection, say the data connection like list, collect, ch- sorry, list, views list, then list set tuple dictionary. Then after class and we we overall called it as hooks. We overall called it as hooks. Hooks means object oriented programming language. programming language. Then we move on to advanced topics like advanced topics means advanced topic. What are the advanced topic like decorator or decorator means wrapping another function, wrapping a function with wrapping a function with another function, wrapping a function with another function, function without changing the main function behaviors. It is called as decorator. We denoted by hat function name. Then we use like generator. The generator comes in a yield form. Yield is denoted by for I in I of 100 means when I call like yield of I means yield next. I think so. I not remember exactly, but I know how yield and generator works. And what are then what we have in advanced topic in Python? These kinds of scenarios we will use like GPTs or ad- advanced topic in Python or Dunder Magic, Concurrency and Parallelism. Asynchronous and a global interpreter of. We have to study what is multi-threading and multiprocessing in Python and efficient data handling, generator and iterator, implementing a lazy evolution to process a massive data set without loading them entirely into memory. Context matters with using an entire next suite for resource. Python virtual machine. We want to see what is meta class. Oh, meta class means decorator. They're calling us decorator. Okay. Yeah, decorator look like this. We call the function with another function like log decorator means The input values will be infinity, and the keros means a variable value, question value, then keyword value. The keyword value is called as keros, keyword parameter. Return a result. The result return will be done to wrapper. And a plus b, and we adding a phi comma c, a calling function adding function dot name, function as add, and the function name add returns a result 8. Generate an iterator, current start end equal to end, return its result. Yeah. Next, its current self start is less greater than equal to end, rise stop iterator, current, then self current plus 1, return 1. Yeah, passing 1 to 5, it want to print 1 to 4. Yeah, by calling for in range. Pa, 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 pa. Pa, pa, pa. Pa, 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 pa. Context manager to open as a file data read, import AIO HTTP. Meta class and advanced hooks. We see in the morning, like not having a energy. Maybe end this stream.